If you follow me on social media, you know that I keep my body photo shoot ready all the time. I stand just a little over 6 feet tall, weigh about 215 pounds, and I keep my body fat levels down at around just 4 to 5% all the time. Now I'm able to maintain that despite the fact that I'm on the road almost as many days as I'm home. Most people are quite surprised to learn I'm able to maintain my muscle mass and stay so lean while I'm living in hotels, eating at restaurants, and traveling around the globe on planes, trains, and automobiles. But I have a secret, guys. It's really not much of a secret. It's a diet. And it's actually not much of a diet. It's a lifestyle. It's my intermittent fasting, carb cycling diet. Now, I've thrown in the carb cycling to boost the benefits of intermittent fasting. If you've read any of my articles or watched any of my videos on intermittent fasting, you know I'm a huge proponent because it's so effective and so easy for dropping body fat. Plus, research is now showing there's a whole laundry list of health benefits that come with intermittent fasting. Now, as effective as intermittent fasting is, no matter what type of diet you're following, eventually your body's gonna adapt to the calorie intake and the macro intakes that you're following. When that happens, you hit stagnation and fat loss stops. Now, the carb cycling helps to prevent that stagnation because your body doesn't adapt to just one calorie and one carb level. So it keeps your body guessing. That way, your body doesn't adjust as quickly to your calorie and macro intake, and you're able to keep dropping body fat for a much longer period. Now be sure to check out my full breakdown of my intermittent fasting carb cycling diet on my website, Stoppani.com, where you can also access all my featured meal plans to help keep you on track. As always, guys, stay Gym Army strong.